What's up, guys? We picked up some new tires for the rally. And these are Racer's Edge 110 off-road rally wheels. Let's see how they look on this car. They're about the same size, I would say. Might be a different offset. Let's see. So here's a size comparison on the tires. Got the stocks on the left, Racer's Edge on the right. And that's the width. So you guys can see they're about the same size. Let's see how they fit. By the way, X-Max tire makes a great RC stand for when you're working on it, and it's grippy so it doesn't slide around. Give it a shot. And here's how they fit. They look pretty good. It's a nice rally off-road tire. Let's see how it looks on the other side with the stocks to give you guys a comparison. And these are the stocks. So they look pretty darn close. Just a different tire pattern, but about the same size. And the one thing I do love about these stock tires is the Pirelli P0 lettering on the sidewalls. These Racer Edge, they don't have that. That's okay. These things fit great. I think also because of the offset, seems like it's a little bit more inward, so when the car dips, it's not gonna rub on your body. Gives it some clearance. These are Racer's Edge tires, off-road rally tires for the 110. I found them on eBay. I believe they were $25 and like $3 or $4 for shipping. They got here in a couple days. And if you could see, the main reason why I bought them is because we went hard with the 3S. And those tires, they got ate up quick on the tarmac out in front of the house on the street. So let's see how these tires perform. Here we go. Oh, it rolled just like a real rally car. .3S might be too much for this course. It's not a very big course. Oh. Tires came undone. We got to glue those back on. All right, so the tires aren't glued on, but we're going to give it another shot. Here we go. I don't really have a legit course here. There we go. Supposed to come through here like this. Oop, hit the fence with the rally. Missed the jump. Here it comes. There we go.
tires, are coming off. We're gonna have to end this one on this lap and go hit the pit stop. Yeah, we're gonna have to glue these tires for off-road use. You guys can see they're coming off again. So let me fix that. But at least you guys got an idea. We got a little course going now. And we'll make a better video for you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. We did get some grime up in here, so let's hit it with our blow. So we got most of it out. A couple little twigs in there, but we'll get those out. At the car wash, yeah. Let's clean this puppy up. So as you guys can see, the tires did not come glued, so I'll have to glue these tires, all of them. Only two came off, this one and this one slightly. At least they didn't roll off. But let's clean this puppy. All right, guys, so we got it cleaned up. Gonna take the tires off and glue them. Make sure they don't come off again. And if you want to see the pattern on these tires, there you go. They are directional, lefts and rights. So this is the glue I like to use, Gorilla Glue, Super Glue, Gel XL. What I'll do is I'll peel back the tire and just hold it on that lip. Then I'll put the glue on this pick and spread the glue evenly on the inside of the lip of the rim. Once I spread it out evenly, so I don't get excess pouring out the top, I will press the tire back into its place because the glue takes a second for it to dry, so it gives you time to work with it. And as you guys can see, there's no glue anywhere on these tires. And while I let the front dry, I press out the rear so that way it presses some pressure while it dries. So we busted the front hub carrier. And we fixed it with some ashes and some super glue. Seen it work before on YouTube, so we gave it a shot. Hopefully it holds up. So we fixed that front seat hub, put the car back together with the tires glued. We're good to go for our next run. Car's clean. Got the original tires put away. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks.